freeze well, which is good.
Which is odd. When I
Really?
yeah, when I used to go to the dentist when I was a kid. Yeah, he'd have to fill me right up with all kinds of extra.
Interesting.
Yeah. No problem sitting still for the needle at the dentist though, because I knew it was gonna. And then it still killed.
Really?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Nerves grinding like crazy.
Maybe a bit more there.
Yeah, right.
I'm going to spin you around.
Okay. Yeah, I'm not sliding anymore.
If you slide, you're going out the window.
Rejected.
There you go. Goggles.
I can feel this one a little bit more.
Yeah, I think I was chintzier on the freezing because we kind of used our quota.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna have to put up with a bit more if that's okay.
Oh yeah, absolutely. What's it like without any freezing at all?
Well, I'm sure you'll feel it because there's probably parts on here that aren't. Are some parts not frozen? Can you tell?
I think that's part of it.
That's part of it, yeah?
Yeah.
Is it nice?
Oh, it's wonderful. It's not too bad.
It's quick though. So
It is.
That's the nice thing about this. It's quick.
Yeah. This feels like an electric shock.
Well, some people, it could be electric shock plus burning you with a cigarette sort of combination.
Yeah, I kind of like a cigarette burn after about 6 or 7 hours, maybe.
6 or 7 hours?
Yeah. Like, it's not that constant sting, you know? It's just that you feel it here and there.
How did you lighten this again? With what?
I used, I tattooed in vitamin A acid gel.
Oh, right.
And then I picked the scab over about 2 weeks. And it just scarred too badly, so I didn't continue it. And it was just way too messy and barbaric.
Wow.
If somebody would have reported me, I would have charged by the police.
What?
Yeah.